Your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera is insanely powerful, but 90% of people are using it wrong. After this video, your photos and videos will look like a pro camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want cinematic video, sharp photos, and iPhone camera settings used by creators, then watch this video till the end, because these are the best camera settings for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Best photography camera settings. Go to iPhone Settings. Tap on Camera app, then tap on Formats. Turn on HyperMax. Tap on Photo Mode. Select 24 MP. A photo will be approximately 3 MB at 24 MP. Turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control. Then tap on ProRAW format. Select JPEG XL offers improved compression over JPEG, resulting in smaller file sizes. JPEG XL support is available on iOS 17 and later, and macOS 14 and later. Tap on Preserve Settings. Here, turn on Exposure.Night Mode Macro Control. Turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control. Turn on Apple ProRes. This saves your preferred settings so the camera doesn't reset every time. Turn on Grid and Level. Grid helps with perfect composition. Level keeps your photos straight, no tilted shots. Then tap on Fusion Camera. Turn on additional lenses, 28mm, 35mm, then tap the one zoom button to toggle between 24mm and additional lenses you can set. Then back to camera setting. Turn on Macro Control. Then turn on Lens Cleaning Hints. Done your iPhone photography camera settings. Best video settings. Go to Record Video. Set to 4K at 60 FPS. Best for smooth cinematic video, vlogs, and YouTube. Turn on HDR video, better colors and dynamic range. Turn on Enhanced Stabilization. Your handheld videos will look gimbal smooth. Then back to camera settings. Pro Video Mode, important. If you really want pro results, use Pro Video Mode. Recommended settings: resolution, 4K frame rate, 30 FPS, cinematic, or 60 FPS, smooth. ISO, keep as low as possible. White balance, lock it to avoid color changes. This is what real creators use. Record Slow-Mo. Tap on Record Slow-Mo. Select 1080p HD at 240 FPS. A minute of slow-mo will be approximately 480 MB with 1080p HD at 240 FPS. Record Cinematic. Tap on Record Cinematic. Then select 4K at 24 FPS. A minute of cinematic video will be approximately 135 MB with 4K at 24 FPS, film style. If you don't change these settings, your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera will never show its real power. Try these settings today and comment below. Did your camera quality improve or not? Like the video, subscribe for more iPhone and tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.